Do both sides. Both sides. Yes, that's a pan I cooked steak in earlier. But you're going to put the cheese and mayonnaise side down. And then for the grilled cheese, we're going to put more cheese on top. And I am carnivore or ketovore, so I don't really care about the steak drippings. That's okay. I'll put my cheese for my grilled cheese on top of the bread, and then I'll put them together. For days when you want to cheat or you need a little extra fat for energy. Then just let it sit for about 3 minutes. Let it sit, let it toast. Medium to low heat. Just assemble it. You just assemble it and then flip it over. Look at that crust. Look at that cheese crust. Oh yeah. It's gonna be yummy. It's gonna be good. And that's how you do it. And you can even add additional cheese in the inside if you want. Cheese it up however you like, but instead of using butter, you can use mayo and cheese to give it that nice crust. Enjoy this recipe. Don't blame me if it makes you mad at your mama that she didn't make it this way. This very simple recipe will change your life. Enjoy!